I twisted 2 pipe cleaners together, then I proceeded to pass it through the ornament, passed it the opposite way to kind of tighten it up without falling off. Then I started passing each ornament through the pipe cleaner. I kept on adding. Then after a point, I would tie it up by passing it the opposite way. This is how you keep adding it as much as you want until you get the desired length, or you get the desired amount of cluster you want. I kept on adding. Then it got to a point I had an extra one, then I tied them together. You could make them separately and tie them together. Kept on adding until I felt it was long enough for my tree. And yeah, the more ornaments you add, the longer they become and the more clusters you have. This is what the final look is, and this is how it looks on my tree. But let me know if you'll be trying this, and if you try this, don't forget to tag me. Thank you.